That's really nice.
Yeah, I was looking at doing my boat in it when I did the board earlier in the year. Oh. But it's, yeah.
I actually hooked up to it. On the way, like put me around the pole and step back under it. Cut me off. You can see the leader hanging out from the fish, so I was like, I was never going to land it.
I think you don't have to go all the way about having all the...
Might do it. Might take this here and there.
Oh.
Come back and look for these series maybe later.
That you can hear. So it's pretty much just a sandbank that we're on along here. What pound lead have you got? Oh, right. Yeah, don't come up here with anything other than 6 or higher. There's one, straight on. Little fishy. Little EP or maybe a little flathead. Shaking like a flathead. What do we got? That little EP. Yep. Maybe a bass. Maybe a little bass. They do come down pretty low. Looks like one. Yeah, little bass. First fish of the morning. Target species at least. It's amazing the ferocity of these little fish.
Yeah. Yeah. I use the boat ramp to bear it.
Oh yeah. A few boats out, eh? Straight on. As soon as it hit the water. Off the surface on a deep diver. This one's a bit bigger than the last one. Go get him, mate. Everyone's getting up above you. Gonna go up the top corner, top of long reach. Gonna start at the top of long reach. Yeah, right. See you around sometime up there. Yeah, mate. Catch up. Another bass. Strange that the bass are here on a high tide. Usually they drop down on the low. But you never know. Fish are fish. Look at those. EP. Even though they look the same, the difference is concaved head, and the eyes are higher up on top of the head, but it's the concave head that gives it away.
pitch?
Major Craft Jigpara. Quite a bend. White brace.
Down through the skill set for one. See him chasing it?
Yep, I can see him.
On. Oh,
Oh.
On. So easy as that.
That was quick.
Do a little EP. There you go. Vertical jigging EP. Something new for people. Been doing it for a couple of years now.
Oh.
Delicate release. So that school is something. It's off that deeper edge. They wise up pretty quick. You get 3 or so and then they go. That's not right. But I got hit 3 times before I hooked up.
Yeah, I saw it.
There's another one.
And straight away.
Only small, but it works on the big boys. We all know people catching bass on spoons and stuff in dams, but you don't see many people vertically jigging EPs. Or bass for that matter.
See, that's something I didn't even think of bringing.
Yeah, that's on. Yeah, oh, I was on again. On again. This one's a bit better.
Better one?
Not much, but a bit. Oh no, just hooked funny. Go on. Ouch. Works just equally as well on the big boys. Big girls, but that's probably not what you want to do. Put a hook in your finger.
Little baby EPs.
Yeah, the little cuties.
I forget they've got little teeth on them.
Oh, it's not the teeth, it's the spikes.
Oh, it's the gill raker I try and avoid.
Yeah.
It's alright. Yeah, that's a good fish, mate. I'll hold him up.
I see Pete.
Yeah, that's a better fish.
One to leave short of me. Against the timber tree.
Oh, that's a quality fish.
Yep. Bring him up to the camera.
Yeah, I will. Alright, there's a chunk. Got that down as well. Oh no, it's on his underside. That was on the whole prawn.
Yep. I like prawns, mate. Any prawn lure.
Yeah. I'll get that right out of the way so you don't step on my stuff. Yeah, just show the camera.
40. Yeah. Nice fish,
There
mate.
you go. It's a lovely piece, probably 45-ish I'd say. Top fish.
There's a rule on the dash there.
Is that? Oh sweet. Good measure. He's going to go over that. Oh no, probably 41 I'd say.
41 tip.
What do you want? He certainly looks bigger than that, but it's a good fish.
Well done, mate. So, you don't need to worry about drainage. Yeah. No, that's not deep.
Mate, too.
Cool.
That's a better looking fish.
Call that EP. Around the 40 mark. Like that. Bit hard because the current in the boat's moving forward as well. There we go. I've got one. There. Estuary perch though. Oh, it's not bad. They're bigger than the last schoolies we're getting. Probably about the same really. Shows the theory is repeatable. No matter where you are, vertical jigging estuary perch is a thing. Can you show it to the camera?
Funny, I didn't think it was a...
Bit of a different bite.
Yeah, it was more of a pull than anything.
Yep. Yeah, not bad.
Oh, the buddy's probably
30.
40s.
Yeah. Just a little, oh, tiny.
Oh my god, that's the smallest of the day.
Yep. Tiny.
Good thing about that flathead.
Tiny.
Says my vibe's getting down.
At school?
And I've just decided no.
Yep. Oh, no, one woke up. Yep, one decided to play. So, do I need to catch any more to prove that it's a thing? I'm sure there's someone out there that's still doubting it's a thing. Righto. Touch, did you? There's one. Oh. Yep. Yep. Good fish.
Oh, good fish. Oh, he's up the surface.
Might be a tailor.
Not yet shot. Yeah.
No, no.
No, just... Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's a tailor.
It's a
All right,
chop.
I'll get it, mate.
Yeah. It's a chop. It's not even...
Sometimes you get tailor.
Not even a legal tailor.
Could be a jury around somewhere.
Yes, please. Do with a couple more Jews to my tally for the year.
No surprises there.
No, they're not there.
Well, have a look what my sounder looks like in 2D. I'll give you an idea.
Yeah, actually.
Yep.
Just a bit more fish.
Maybe a flathead.
No, yeah, big head shake. Bloody.
Oh, he ate it.
Yeah, ate it. Might have been a decent.
Well, the knot gave. Knot gave way. Yeah, knot opened up. That. G'day YouTube, it's no secret today. The bridge behind me gives it all away. We've been up the river for the morning, caught some estuary perch, caught a few bass. We've used some crankbaiting, rolling plastics, and I got some on the vertical jig technique which I've showed in the video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Get into it.